Hey hustlers, welcome back to the Rich Hustle. It's your girl Anissa. I wanted to first start off by telling everybody Happy New Year. I hope that you had a wonderful and safe New Year. Today, I wanted to bring you guys a video that I felt would be very beneficial for starting off the new year if you decided that you want to learn some new skills, and also because I found some very helpful information that would be good for anyone that's planning to start a business this new year. It's going to be through Google for Education, their applied and digital skills. So I wanted to go ahead and break that down to you guys and show you how you can learn some new skills and gain some information for free through Google. If you want to see how we're going to do that, then go ahead and stay tuned. All right, hustlers. So the first page that I'm showing is actually the intro page. You can literally access it by Googling Google for Education or Apply Digital Skills. This is the front screen. They offer different resources for if you're a teacher, if you're a student, if you're just a learner, and different options for what you're doing. So you're going to go ahead and create an account. I didn't show that portion, but that's just kind of self-explanatory. You would create an account, and I chose to be a learner on the website. Now you're going to browse the different areas and classes that they have available for you. You can use the search option bar to put in whatever you're looking for on there. I decided to show you guys the business portion of it because that's what we're going to be focusing on today, and what I think would be very beneficial for someone who is trying to start a business this new year, or if you just want to gain some more skills. So you can go ahead and scan the website, see what may be beneficial to you, what you might want to learn that they offer. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to be focusing on the Build Your Online Business. They describe it as creating, promoting, and managing an online business using digital tools. Then they give you the breakdown of 6 to 9 hours as the duration for the class. The next page is going to be the starter page, and on this page they have the activities, which basically shows you what's all included in the videos and what they'll be talking about. And then they also have the teaching materials. This is nice if you want to use this for teaching purposes with anybody. They have certificates that you can give your students after completion. They have lesson plans, all of that good stuff. I thought that was really dope. And then now this is going to break down into the lessons that are included in the program that they're offering. So the cool thing about this is that if you just want to skip around, if you don't want to go in order, if you just feel like there's certain things you want to see, or if you like eventually complete the entire thing but you want to come back to a certain section, you can literally press on any one of the main categories. Then they'll also have the list of classes or videos underneath it, and then you can just go ahead and access that video. So you'll have the video. Each class has like different instructors or presenters that basically show you everything. This is like the pre-survey just for them to get an idea of like who they're dealing with. And so you can go ahead and fill that out. And then other than that, you can just go ahead and skip around to whatever section you may want to do, or you can complete the whole course. I thought it was really neat too that you can print out the certifications. You can always use this type of thing on your resumes as well as, showing different skills or showing that you take initiative to learn different skills, or you can just keep it in your back pocket for your own benefit and just for your own educational purposes. It's completely up to you. But these are each of the videos. Some of them have attachments on them. You can go ahead and browse around on that and go ahead and start learning. I thought it was super, super dope. Wanted to show you guys this because it's like sometimes you just want to have access to your own learning outside of paying for classes, outside of YouTube. It's always nice to get, different type of resources and different type of people explaining things. So this is really nice. I also wanted to show you guys the other business options that they had on here. They have prepare for your business plan, write a business plan, marketing pitches, a lot of things that could really benefit you in business. Sometimes when dealing with grants, loans for your business, and getting financial help, they will want you to present them with a business plan. That can be kind of difficult sometimes. So to have the videos showing you that, then that is a wonderful option to have. You can go ahead and filter out videos to pop up. You can put that it's adult learning. They also have what subject or topic you want to look for. We want to do business. So they'll bring up all of the business videos that they have or educational courses that they have available for you for business. But definitely the build your own business, the business plan, and any of the marketing ones are very beneficial and will come in handy when trying to either create the business from the start, or also when it comes to getting financial assistance for your business. And another course that they offer on here that I thought is very beneficial was the financing for your business plan, because who doesn't want to know about the finances and the number portion of their business? So just even getting an idea of how you can keep track of like your numbers and your business, and like kind of getting like a little idea of like accounting for your business. I think that's always beneficial to be able to kind of know how to do for yourself, and like spreadsheets and what you'll need to even start it up and what you're going to do for your first year. So definitely check that one out as well. All right, hustlers, so that wraps up our video. I hope that you guys enjoyed that information. Go ahead and make sure that you check them out. I'm going to leave the link down below for you to do that. Who doesn't love free resources when it comes to business and even starting up your business? So make sure that you take advantage of that and check it out. If you enjoyed this video and if it was beneficial to you, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, hit the subscribe, and go ahead and hit that bell so that you can be notified the next time that I upload. I can't wait to see you guys next time. Love you so much. Peace.